Kahapon nakalimot kog video dito mi sa rooftop sa Haileybury sa city. Nya kanang na busy ko and then wala na ko ka-vlog. So muna siya. Pirmig na siya basta mag-shoot ko niya, mag-try ko vlog because ang vlogs na ako sa kung mag-shoot ko dili man sa prepared kanang murag on the spot na vlogs lang. So muna siya. Muto siya. Now I'm shooting something corporate kanang mag-shoot mi og kanang Callaway golf fitting sa golf. So I don't know. We'll see how we go. Let's rock and roll.
I'm not playing anywhere near as much as I used to, and I just want something a bit louder.
So just finished today's job. I was filming golf. Bisaya mo ganyan akong vlog dahil. Nag-film ko kanang kuan golf fitting. So fitting is ihas ko ni pag-una. So you have to fit your kanang unsa nga clubs imong gamiton, unsa nga mga gamit imong gamiton. So you just have to come here and then have yourself tested kanang naa siya mga machines to measure how strong your hit is and whatever. So muna siya. Just done for today. Heading back. Let's go.